In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a database in Notion. Exporting your database can be an incredibly useful skill, whether you're looking to back up your information, move it to a different platform, or share it with collaborators who might not use Notion. I'll be walking you through this process step by step to make sure it's as easy and straightforward as possible, regardless of your familiarity with Notion. First things first, you'll want to open up your Notion workspace where your database is located. Click on the page or the specific database that you wish to export. It could be a table, a board, a gallery, or any other database type you have. Once you've opened it, make sure that all your data is visible and organized just the way you like. You might want to take a moment to double-check that everything is up to date, as what you see here will be what gets exported. Next, look to the upper right corner of your Notion window. You should see three little dots. That's the menu icon, often referred to as the overflow menu. Click on this icon to open up a drop-down menu with various options. Among these options, you will find the Export option. This is the key to beginning your export process. The moment you click Export, a new window will pop up requesting some details about how you'd like to export your data. Here's where you can tailor the file to your specific needs. You'll typically be given a choice of formats to export your data. For most databases, you can select between exporting as a CSV file or a PDF. A CSV file is perfect for data that you may want to import into another database or for use in spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. A PDF, on the other hand, is well suited for sharing formatted data that won't need further changes. Once you've decided on your format, there's usually an option to include sub-pages. If your database contains links or embedded pages, this could be important. Check this option if you want to pull an entire interconnected structure of pages. After making your selections, simply click the button to confirm and begin the export. Your database will now begin exporting, and this process might take a few moments depending on the size and complexity of the data being processed. Once the process is complete, your file will typically save automatically to your default download location, usually your computer's Downloads folder. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your database from Notion. Remember, regularly exporting your databases can be an effective way to safeguard your information and provide you with peace of mind knowing that your data is backed up securely. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of these steps, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing with Notion.